This isn't just a party. This is a statement. In a world of fragmented workplaces, hyperconnectivity, and silent screens, we choose something different. We choose people. We choose culture. We choose tradition. Because happiness doesn't happen in isolation. It grows in belonging. Here, celebration is not just joy, it's purpose. We dance to honor the past. We laugh to build the present. We connect to shape the future of work. This is Lionesa Business Hub, a territory of meaning, a home for talent, a workplace made of people.